everyone, welcome to our official balcony stateroom tour. Aboard the Carnival Horizon, we are in room 6296. As you enter the cabin, you will have your closets on the left, hangers, shelving, mirror, and another shelving with your safe and 3 drawers. In your bathroom, you have your shower, shower gel. You also have a laundry cord you can pull across for your swimsuits so it can dry. Your towels, vanity mirrors, shelving, extra storage below. And you have your plug for your electric shaver. Pull out sofa, 2 side tables and lamps, king size bed configuration, your hair dryer, and your refrigerator. Phone, your outlets, European outlet, television, and your balcony. And we're probably going to fog up. 2 chairs, a table. And this is our view. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this stateroom tour. Please leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, remember guys, enjoy life. Make it an adventure. You can follow us on our other social media, Adventures of David and Aaron on Instagram and Adventures of DNA on Twitter. Bye guys.